Okay, so my vlog camera, I needed to switch that SD card into my actual camera, so now I'm just using my phone. I don't know if it'll look or sound different, but whatever, I'm on my phone now. But basically, we're just going to LF right now because they're having a sale, so obviously gotta hit that up, and yeah. How we feeling, boys?
Soups.
Yep, no response, okay. Okay, so we just made some purchases in Zara. Oh, you're not in it. Jeans. There we go. Yeah, I got jeans and a jacket and a shirt and a purse. I didn't show the purse, like I showed all my other outfits. But yeah, pretty good sale in Zara. But guess what? Went to LF and there wasn't a sale, so thanks, Marguerite.
Oh, you.
We're currently getting a snack at Pret, which we went to like 7 times last year. I'm pretty sure that's actually accurate. So yeah, we're just gonna keep a tally of how many times we end up going here. On our way to dinner, we're going to some burger place called The Counter. But I don't know, it's not like fancy or anything, but they have a gluten-free fryer and like a bunch of gluten-free stuff. So obviously I want to go there, and I don't know, it just sounds good. So hopefully it is. Otherwise I'm going to cry because I'm starving. And this camera's shaking so much because I'm walking and because I had caffeine earlier and I'm still shaking from it. So. Okay, so it's Saturday and we're currently walking. We're meeting my friend Marguerite at Carlo's Bakery, and then we're going to Sugar Factory with her and obviously Lex and my mom and Jules and her mom for brunch, so it should be good. Trying to get up on the roof of this weird museum to take pics. I will insert clip, I just took one. But we don't want to pay, so we don't know how we're gonna do this, but you know. Okay, we literally just walked the entire High Line, and it wasn't even that bad. But yeah, so now we're just walking like kind of towards the meet. We're trying to find something like cute, like a cute little store or something to go to and just kill time. But I don't know what we're gonna find in this area. It's super industrial and I don't know. Okay, so literally haven't vlogged like all day, honestly, I feel like, but meet ended. I got first on floor and like a couple other places, but I forget. And then I got fifth, mom, stop. And I got fifth all around, and then we just went out to dinner at Don Antonio's, which reminded me of Antonia, and oh my god, and it just made me, I was just living, my ears are so like popping right now. So then we went back to the hotel to drop stuff off, and now we're going out into Times Square to meet up with Jules and her mom, and then I don't know what we're doing, so. Okay guys, so we ventured out of the hotel, and I said that we were going to meet Jules and her mom like on the red stairs, so we met them there. I got frozen yogurt, aka sorbet, and now we're literally in Jules's hotel, which is the one we usually stay in for this meet, but this year we're not, because like why stay here for I don't know how much when we can literally stay at this nicer hotel for free, like whatever. But anyway, so we're here, and basically there's like this Grammys pre-party, and so we're just waiting, and like we're just gonna see who comes in here, but like they literally have the lobby like roped off, and like it's actually insane. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Okay, so basically like halfway through waiting for these celebs to show up, I was like, oh, like I'm so tired, because I mean I had walked to the entire High Line and then competed a meet, and it was also like almost midnight, and so I was like, you know what, no one's gonna come through here, like we didn't have to go through any security, anyone in this lobby could have a weapon, blah blah blah. I was like, seriously guys, like you're all stupid if you think people are coming through here. So we left, and my friends were there, and I found out the next morning that they saw Jerry Seinfeld as well as John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. I'm so pissed. You don't understand. Okay, so I literally haven't vlogged, like I didn't vlog at all last night after I don't even know what the last thing I showed you was, but basically the hotel we usually stay in for this meet, somehow the Grammys like pre-gala got switched to being there, but like Jules was still staying there, so somehow we got in, and we were like waiting to see if people were like actual celebrities were coming, and there were like a ton of people that were like faking being celebrities, and they were just like dressed up and trying to like get into the party, but, like obviously they couldn't. And I don't even know, but apparently John Legend and Chrissy Teigen like were there, but we think it was earlier than we were there. Like I don't even know, but seriously, if we missed them I'll be pissed, because I was literally like falling asleep, and I was like, oh my god, and no one was like coming. They roped off all the entrances. So it was like, oh, maybe we're not gonna see anyone, because maybe, I don't know. I just figured no one was gonna be able to come through there, because like we didn't go through any security. Like anyone could have just had any sort of weapon. So I didn't know, and we just went back. But I don't know, we just got breakfast. We went to Brown's Bagels. It was so good. I got a gluten-free bagel. I will insert a clip, because I did take one, I think. And then now we are going to Crossroads, which is like the best consignment shop that we found, and I'm wearing a shirt from there that I got last year, so. Okay, we're walking. Okay, so I was just editing this vlog and I realized that, as usual, I forgot to end it. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe down below if you'd like. And if you're feeling like it, probably not though, comment down below what your favorite place to go in New York City is, because I go to the city a lot, so it'd be interesting to try new things that other people like. So yeah, hit me up down below and have a good day.